All right, today we're gonna bring a actual motorcycle cover. If you guys can see it, this is the old one. It doesn't even fit. All right, it's actually coming off apart. It's fading out. We're gonna put this one in here instead. It comes with its own bag. It's perfect little bag for it, and I'm gonna set it up and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. Final product, guys. I like these. These are actually reflectors, so if you're parking on the street, you're gonna see these in the street. And then I like the bottom reflectors. They're bottom reflectors, and this one, if you guys notice from before and after, it actually covers a whole entire motorcycle, keeps it nice and dry. And there's also clips here if you want to clip them together. If you guys can see that clip, and this right here is actually clips if you want to clip it over. And then it has a lock if you want to lock it in. All right, so here's the part you lock it in if you want to lock it, a loop if you want to lock it in, or you want to clip it together. It goes all the way down. Simple, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video. That's it.